Today, we will be changing the ending sounds in a word to make a new one. Then, we will draw a picture of the new word we made. We've got a picture here of a man and a picture of a bug. Let's look at the picture man. In the word man, I hear the letter M and I hear the A sound in the middle. But the ending, oh my goodness, Today, we will be changing the ending sound in a word to make a new one. Then, we will draw a picture that matches our word. We've got some pictures we'll use here. We've got a picture of a man and a picture of a bug. Let's look at the picture man. Man begins with the letter M, and it has an A in the middle. But we want to change the ending sound to make a new word. It ends with the letter N, but I'm going to take away the N, and I'm going to place a D. Now, let's look at our new word. M says A says and D says D. My new word is mad. Now let's go down here and look at the picture of a bug. In the word bug, it begins with the letter B, and I hear the U sound in the middle. But we want to change the ending to make a new word. The word bug ends with the letter G. So I'm going to take away the G, and I'm going to put the letter S. Let's see our new word. B says B. U says S says S. My new word is bus. Now I'm going to draw pictures of my new word. You're going to go and do this activity on your own. You will practice making new words and illustrating what your new words are.